How was your chicken chai?
Very nice.
Very
This
nice.
one,
That is what you call the chicken chai.
yeah. Very nice.
This is a Kori. This is Kori. Kori
Kori.
chai chicken,
Wow.
which is Korean chicken chai.
Nice.
Yan. With fries.
With French
Hello,
fries.
ubos na.
Wow, ang sarap.
Fries.
Ang sarap.
So this is the classic chicken chai. Yeah? How is it? It's good? Nice? Nice?
Nice.
Oh, mashallah. Okay, you can eat now.
Okay.
Thank you. Ito yung buksan mo. Ito yung ano, 'di ba? Ito yung Frenchy chicken chai. Frenchy chicken chai. Ang tawag dyan. Yan ang isa-serve natin sa ano, sa 18.